Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Certbot on Ubuntu VPS safely step by step clearly. First, connect to your Ubuntu VPS via SSH. Use the command SSH username at your _VPS_IP. Once logged in, you will want to stop the Certbot service if it's actively running. Run the command sudo system_stop certbot. Next, check if Certbot is installed using the command which certbot. If Certbot is installed, proceed to uninstall it. Use the command sudo apt-get remove certbot. To remove any unused packages, run sudo apt-get auto-remove. If you also want to remove configuration files, use sudo apt-get purge certbot. To confirm Certbot has been removed, check again with which certbot. If the command returns no output, it means Certbot is successfully uninstalled. Now, you may want to remove any leftover directories related to Certbot. Run the command sudo rmrf/etc/let's-encrypt. Additionally, check for any other configurations that may need to be removed. If you have any cron jobs related to Certbot, remove them with cron tab E. Finally, perform a system update to ensure everything is in order. Use the command sudo apt-get update. You have now successfully uninstalled Certbot from your Ubuntu VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.